Now, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Now, exercise 6.2, the question number one. Here, D is parallel to, we are given DE is parallel to DC. And then we have to find out in question number one, that is find EC. We have to find EC. So, by BPT theory, basic proportionality theory, as DE is parallel to BC, we can write AD by DB equal to AE by EC. In a triangle, that is the 2 points are joined by DE and which is parallel to the BC, then we can write down in a triangle that is AD by DB and AE by EC. The measure of the AD is given, that is 1.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter, it is 1.5 centimeter, and it is 3 centimeter. Other one is 1 centimeter. So we have to find out the EC. So we have to find out the EC. We can put the value of the AD from the triangles, that is 1.5 centimeter, and other one is 3. So AE is given 1 centimeter. We have to find EC, or you can write down EC equal to, it will be, that is 2. When you divide that, it will come cross multiplication, it will come here and this one will go there. So 3 by 1.5 I can write down. So it is 2 centimeter. That is the length of EC equal to 2 centimeter. Now again, in next triangle, it is given the triangle, another triangle is given in this step. Same ADB, which is given A, D, C, and it is G and E is given here. Now, as G is parallel to EC here, same formula is applied, and we have to find out here, that is AD. We have to find out AD. We have to find out AD. But length of AD is not given. 10.2 centimeter, 1.8 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 1.8 centimeter, 4.5, 5.4 centimeter, and it is given 7.2 centimeter. Now we have to find out AD. So from the basic proportionality theory, AD by DB, we can write down AD by DB equal to A by EC. So we have to find out A, D, it is D, it is not C, it is D. Now, or we can put the value, DB is AD by DB, 7.2 centimeter, equal to A, 1.8 centimeter by 5.4 centimeter. So when you will divide this one, it will be AD, we can write down AD equal to 7.2 into 1.8 divided by 5.4. It is easy to divide 3 times, and when you will divide it 10.2, what you will get? That is 2.24. 24 3s are 22, so that will be 2.4
Sure.
centimeter. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, question number two. In question number two, there are 3 problems are given. So we have to solve the question number two. Here, P and F are the points on the side of P and Q. PQ and P are respectively in triangle PQR. Now, for each of the following cases, state whether the EF is parallel to QR. दैट इज द EF इज पैरेलल टू QR है कि नहीं, ये आपको दिखाना है। एक ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है PQR, triangle is given PQR, PQR, and midpoint R, that is two sides midpoint are given here, that is E and F, that is E and F. So we have to prove that in question number 1, that is we have to prove the converse field, that is EF is parallel to EF is parallel to QR. ये हमको दिखाना है, that is EF is parallel to QR. So किस प्रकार से होगा, that is we have to solve if the ratios of the side of the triangle is in same proportions in both sides, then we can say that the triangle, that is the line EF is parallel to QR. Now here PQ is 1.28, PQ given here, given in question number 1, that is PQ is given 1.28 centimeter. PR is given PR equal to 2.56 centimeter. Another one, PE is given 0.8 centimeter, PE 0.18 centimeter, and PF is given 3.6 centimeter, 0.6. So in this way, the sides are given. Now हम लोग P by Q निकालेंगे, EQ निकालते हैं, गिवन है कि नहीं है यहाँ पर। तो EQ हम लोग को दिया हुआ है P, गलत लिखा हूं क्या मैं, ये मैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन लिख दिया हूं, ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन है। ऑलराइट, PQ इक्वल टू 1.28 centimeter, PR equal to 2.6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and P equal to 1.8 centimeter and PF equal to 0.36 centimeter. तो हम लोग P by EQ निकाल देते हैं, इसको थर्ड वन ही डायरेक्ट थर्ड वन ही निकाल देता हूं। PQ equal to, given the whole length is given here, PQ is given from here to here, PQ is given 1.28 centimeter, PE is given that is a 1.28 centimeter, PR is given that is a 2.56 centimeter, and PF is given 0.3 centimeter. Then we can find out that is a in triangle PE. In triangle we can write down PQR that is PE by PQ equal to PF by FR.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
फोटो भी नहीं दिख रहा है। हेलो। आ गया सर। हेलो। आ गया।
फोन आ गया था, पता नहीं अब सुनाई देगा कि नहीं सुनाई देगा आपको।
नहीं आया।
और
सुनाई दे रहा है।
सुन रहे हैं, मुझे लग रहा है आपकी बात मुझे नहीं सुनाई दे रही। ऑलराइट, फिर भी हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं। दैट इज PQ minus PQ, that is so it is 1.28 minus 0.1. So you will get that is 1.1. And another one, that is uh, again we find out that is F1, that is PR, PR. So we will be PR is 2.56 minus that is PR. PR is given 0.36. So when we subtract it, we get 2.20. Now put it this way, P and P value P given 0.20 by 110, 110, 1.10. And another PR, PR is given, PR is 0.6 and by 2.1. So when you divide, that is both back. So basically, that is yeah. So one is one, one. So they do is the positive side. So here, we have discussion one by conversion of conversion of this तो समझ में आया होगा एनीवन
यस सर।
ऑलराइट
सर एक बार
ऑलराइट मैं
और
समझ रहा
समझा दीजिए।
हूँ कि बोल रहे हैं ना ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन था ये वन एंड फाइव इसको नॉन थर्ड में काम हमें नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में जाना है थर्ड हम इसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं। Here in figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CE. Then prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. So problem is given in this slide. Question number 3. Another one is different. That is MLN. Now, in the question given that LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB. And LM is parallel to C. Now, we have to prove that AM is so that AM by MP AB is AM by AN by AM. This is we have to prove. So we can write down by basic proportion that is AM by MB. Then we can write down इस चीज को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं। अभी ये पैरेलल है, अलग कुछ पैरेलल सी CL BN। तो ये पैरेलल है इसका, तो हम इसको AM by MB PL by तो क्या होगा तरीका से if and then parallel so you can write out AM by A equal to AM by again that is Alan is parallel BC CD. So you can write down AN by AD equal to AL by 1 and 2. Now from 1 and 2. Now from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. That is AM by AD equal to AM by AD. समझ में आया? समझ में आ गया?
यस सर।
असाइनमेंट बहुत तरीका है। आज हम ये क्योंकि पता नहीं रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है नहीं। ठीक है, थैंक यू। आज क्वेश्चन बनाए, ऑलराइट।